Financial difficulties and debt can be one of the most stressful and overwhelming experiences we face in life. But with right mindset and tools, it's possible to manage your finances and find a way out of debt. Today, we'll explore how to manage financial difficulties and debt. We'll share some practical ways to overcome financial challenges and offer some tips for finding financial freedom. The first step in managing your finances is to create a budget. By taking a close look at your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and find ways to save money. Another important step is to negotiate with your creditors. Many creditors are willing to work with you to find a repayment plan that fits your budget. Seeking financial counseling can also be incredibly helpful in managing financial difficulties and debt. By connecting with a trained professional, you can receive guidance on how to manage your finances and find a way out of debt. Managing financial difficulties and debt can be a challenging journey, but it's also an opportunity to learn and grow. Guys, one of the most important lessons we learn from this experience is the importance of financial responsibility. By taking ownership of our finances, we can build a solid functional foundation and achieve our financial goals. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to take control of your finances and take steps towards a brighter financial future. We'll see you in the next video.